We had a guy in with a Dodge pickup or a Jeep the other day, and his lights are going crazy on the dashboard, and he had to decline the repair because it was a radar built into a little sensor on his grill that got cracked, and it was $1,500 just for part.
And you potentially have to recalibrate these systems, even if they haven't been damaged. So we've seen that really ramping up significantly since 2015, the incidence of the presence of these different operations. If you look at the average cost of doing just a series of scans of the computer system on a vehicle, you're talking about an average of about $160 per claim.